Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I wanted to share with you what fits inside my new Longchamp Pliage original pouch with handle, or what I like to call it, my mini pouch or mini bag. And even though it's pretty mini, it actually can fit quite a lot. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started with today's video. I bought this one in Paris and I love it so much. This strap though, it did not come with the pouch. This I actually bought on Amazon, and it has been such a game changer, especially with this bag, because now I'm able to use it as a crossbody bag, a shoulder bag. It just makes it more versatile and more practical overall. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and I'll show you, or I'll link the video of how I attach it right here. It's actually pretty easy, and I love it because it doesn't damage the bag at all. But as far as like what I can fit inside of here, I can actually fit quite a lot. The one question I get the most is if it can fit an iPhone Pro Max, and yes it does. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit inside, and it can easily slip and slide out of the bag. So yeah, I have that inside of here. And then I also have my mini key pouch. This one is the Dior Mert travel key case, I believe, attached with my car key. And inside of here, I just have like some of my most important cards and some folded up cash. I also have inside of here, I have a Touchland hand sanitizer. I love this scent. It's the peach one. And then I also have some lotion. This is from Rakuten. And then I have Carmex, if it would like to focus. Hello, there we go. And then I also have this hair slicker. This one is from TikTok shop, and it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I have those few things. And since this bag is pretty small, I don't really use an organizer with it. This one is, I got this one, it came with the Amazon purchase with the strap. But since this one is already pretty small, I feel like it just takes up too much space, and I don't really need like an organizer or a liner because I feel like it's fairly easy to clean. Like I don't need to protect the interior, and yeah, I just feel like even though this is really nice, I don't need an organizer. I think I just need my essentials. But if you're interested, the Amazon purchase does come with a little organizer like this. But if you're also interested in carrying things like sunglasses, sunglasses also fit really nicely inside of here. We could also fit like a claw clip inside of here really nicely, although I just usually like to attach it to the strap like this for more convenience. But yeah, if you wanted to put like your cell phone in here, your key case, let's see, those essentials that I mentioned earlier, you kind of have to play Tetris with this bag, kind of, if you want to fit or like just maximize the space. Let's see. And then some sunglasses. These ones are actually pretty bulky. These are the Prada, but I think they'll fit inside here, but I definitely wouldn't do this because I don't want to damage the sunglasses. Oh no, I think we're gonna have to get rid of something. You'd probably have to get rid of your phone, like hold it in your hand or lessen the accessories. Yeah. But as you can see, that still fits really nicely inside of here. So in case you wanted to hold some more things, like snacks or some mints. Yep, all of that can fit in here, but you would have to sacrifice something like your phone. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that can fit inside of here. If you were looking to use like a bigger wallet, I feel like it would just take up a lot more space. This one is a key pouch, so it's kind of sleek and slim, which is really nice. So you could have like more space for like other things in your bag. That is everything that you can pretty much fit inside of here. Even though it's a mini bag, it's actually pretty spacious, and I enjoy using this one a lot. I feel like it's just so carefree. It's very durable. I can throw it around, and because it has a zipper, I really don't have to worry about things falling out of the bag. If you have any other questions though, as far as like what else can fit, definitely let me know in the comments and I can get back to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!